Hello friends, welcome to our channel.
Chapter 12, How Nature Works in Harmony.
Question number 1. Which organism depends directly on plants? Answer B. Herbivore. Question number 2. Harmony in nature depends on. Answer C. Interdependence of all components. Question number 3. Sustainable development means. Answer B. Using resources for present and future. Question number 4. Global warming affect. Answer D. All of these. Question number 5. Which gas causes global warming? Answer option B. Carbon dioxide. Question number 6. Decomposers mainly include. Answer C. Fungi and bacteria. Question number 7. Biodiversity refers to. Answer C. Variety of living organisms. Question number 8. Which of the following maintains balance in nature? Answer C. Biodiversity. Question number 9. What happens if producers decrease? Answer C. Food chain is disturbed. Question number 10. Which factor helps maintain harmony? Answer A. Conservation. Question number 11. The best way to protect nature is to. Answer C. Live sustainably. Question number 12. What does the term ecosystem mean? Answer C. Living organisms interact with the environment. Question number 13. Which practice helps protect nature? Answer A. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Question number 14. Which of the following is a biotic component of nature? Answer D. Plants. Question number 15. Which is non-living component of the environment? Answer C. Sunlight. Question number 16. Why are green plants called producer? Answer C. They make their own food. Question number 17. Which process help plants prepare food? Answer C. Photosynthesis. Question number 18. Which of the following is a decomposer? Answer C. Mushroom. Question number 19. What is the main role of decomposer in nature? Answer C. Breaking down dead plants and animals. Question number 20. A food chain source. Answer B. Energy flow in nature. Question number 21. Why is biodiversity important? Answer B. It maintains balance in nature. Question number 22. Harmony in nature means. Answer C. Interdependence of living and non-living components. Question number 23. Which of the following is a biotic component of nature? Answer D. Plants. Question number 24. Which is non-living component of environment? Answer C. Sunlight. Question number 25. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called. Answer C. Omnivores. Question number 26. Wildlife conservation helps in. Answer C. Maintaining ecological balance. Question number 27. Which type of pollution is caused by plastic waste? Answer C. Soil pollution. Question number 28. Which is a man-made ecosystem? Answer C. Aquarium. Question number 29. Which action supports sustainability? Answer C. Rainwater harvesting. Question number 30. Where is Corbett National Park located? Answer A. Assam. Questions for you. Question number 1. When did UNESCO declare Sundarban as a World Heritage Site? Question number 2. Who is the father of Green Revolution? Question number 3. Which is an Asian text that emphasizes on soil, health and nourishment? Thank you.